Hello programmer, welcome back to today's tutorial. We are delving into the world of data analysis and we will be exploring the crucial statistical concept for percentiles. Okay, so understanding the percentage is essential for gaining insight into the distribution of your data. Okay, so join me as we demystifying the percentage and implement them in Python. So let's get started. So the importance of the percentiles. Okay. So, they provide a way to divide and understand the distribution of your data. So, either you are analyzing for exam scores or stock price, percentiles help us to answer questions like the what percentage of data falls below a certain value. So, now, suppose I am in this explanation for this question. So, fifth percentiles is the 25% of data is below this point, and then fifth percentiles for the median is that 50% of data is below this point, and third point is the 75 percentile is the 75% of data is below this point. Okay. So now I'm creating for is the percentiles in Python. So the calculating in percentage involves storing its data and finding the value below which a give percentage of data false. Okay. So now Python makes this process is straightforward. Okay. So let's create it. So first I'm create is the import for is numpy as np. Okay. So now I'm create for is the data is equal for then the data for is 12, 14, then 18, 20 and for 16. Okay. And now I'm create for is p for percentage underscore is 25 is equal for the np dot is create for is the percentile. Okay, then create for it's not, then dot for is the it's for percentile. Okay, so now create for is the data for it's the 25. Okay, so now I am again create for in this code for copy and paste for next line. Okay, so I am just change it for is that p underscore for 50% and the percentage data for is the it's for data for 50. Okay, so this is the median value. Okay, so last one I am create for is the p underscore for 75% and then np dot percentile data for is the 75. Okay, so now I am create for is the print function, then create for f and double quotation create is for 25. It's the percentile and clone, then create for index for p underscore 25. Okay, so now in this code for copy, okay, and paste for next line. Okay, and just change it is for the it's 50% and it's the 75% and that change it for the value is the median. Okay, in parentheses closing starting closing for is the median value, then median value is the 25. Okay, and then last one is the 75. So here in this example we use the numpy library to calculate the percentiles. The percentile function takes the data and the desired percentile as argument, providing us with a powerful tool for analyzing data distribution. Okay, so now save this code and let me run this code. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so as we can see, the result is printed. For the fifth percent is 25% is the 40 point, and fifth is the 14.0. In 75 is the 14. Is the result is same as and created. Okay. So next step I am create for is the visualizing for the percentiles. Okay. So visualizing the percentage can offer a clear understanding of a data distribution. So let's create a simple percentile plot using it's a matplot library. Okay, so let's create it. So in this create code I am create for is the import, then the matplot library dot is the py plot as then tlt. Okay. So now I am create for the code is the tlt dot create for is the box plot then data. Okay, now I am create for is the plt dot is the title. The title is single quotation create for box plot. Width is the percentile. Okay, and next time create for is the plt dot is the x level. For single quotation create is the data, and next time also create for is the plt dot for y level parenthesis for single quotation for create is the values. Okay, and last one I am create for is the plt dot show function. Okay, so it's created. So now here in this example we use the matplot library to create a box plot which visually represents the percentiles. The box represents the interquartile range and the line inside the box is the median. So this visualization helps us cross the spread and central tendency of our data. Okay, so now save this code and just wait and let me run this code. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so as you can see the result is printed. It's the title is for box. Okay, so save and again run this code. Okay, so just wait. So this is the result for is the box plot with percentiles using the visualizing percentage. Okay, so this is the result. So in this tutorial I am create for the percentile Python in machine learning. Okay, so you are the congratulations. So navigate the world of percentiles in Python. So either you are analyzing the exam scores, stock price, or machine learning feature, the percentiles are your guide to understanding data distribution. Okay, so thank you for watching and happy coding.